6 o'clock this morning. I'm going to be turning on my proofer. 80 degrees. Need to put some water in the tray in the bottom. We'll go ahead and put the first loaf of bread in. And in 30 minutes, I'll take out the next loaf. It's been 30 minutes since I put the first loaf in at 6. This is my Broad & Taylor proofer. Because they won't fit in there 2 at a time, I'm going to put in a small bowl, turn it upside down, and that will help support this one to be up at a higher level. So then I can close the lid and fit 2 of them in there just fine. I've got my third loaf of bread ready to go, but I don't have enough room in the Broad & Taylor proofer for 3. So what I do is I put in a nice mug and put it in the microwave and I zap it until it's nice and hot. I will put my loaf of bread in there and shut the door, and it stays nice and warm and humid. So that's a trick that you can use for making your own little proofer. It's been 2 hours since we started the final proofing, and here's the first loaf. You can see it's ready to go. It's nice and bubbly, and it's done. This one's not quite ready yet, but it's pretty close as well. So it'll be going in next. So we'll turn these out, put them on a peel, slash them, and put them in the oven. Still using rice flour. Put some rice flour on the bottom of the loaf. Make sure there's no sticky spots. Turn it upside down. And I will want to get as much of the rice flour off as I can. If you want the blisters to show, then you want to get the flour off. If you want to design, you wouldn't really use rice flour. You would be using white wheat flour or whole wheat flour. But in this case, we're wanting the blisters to show. So I think we'll just do something really simple. So we did a real simple cross slash for this loaf. This will be the first loaf. And the oven's been preheated for about an hour to 500. Once I put the loaf in, I will turn it down to 450. For blisters, you need to spray it quite heavily so that you have a nice wet soft dough that will blister easily. Place your hot roasting lid back over. Now turn your oven down to 450 and put it on for 10 minutes to start with. First 10 minutes is done. We'll see how it looks. It's beautiful loaf. It'll take 15 to 20 more minutes. I usually put it on 15. Looking beautiful. Yeah, I think I'll take that. Put the lid back in. Turn the heat back up to 500. Here's the first loaf. Come out pretty good. Got a nice hollow sound, nice color, nice blisters.